Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about fan in and fan out concurrency pattern. If you are new to the concurrency and channel concept, then please watch videos from my channel playlist. Then it will be easy for you to understand this series. Let's try to understand what is a pipeline. When an application is trying to perform certain action in a set of stages in a sequence, to generate the expected output. In this case, we can say it is a pipeline. Example as depicted in the picture, like multiple users are uploading the images in your application, and application works on processing these images to generate the thumbnails and then uploads it to the cloud server or stores somewhere in the server. As you can see, our pipeline will be responsible for processing one image at a time. As you can see, we are processing one image at a time. The question is it possible to speed up this process, and how do we do that? Yes, it is possible. We can use concurrency feature along with channel in combination to construct the streaming pipeline. Concurrency helps for effective utilization of input output and multiple CPU cores available on the machine to run computation concurrently. GoRoutine takes the data from an incoming channel or inbound channel, performs the operation on it and sends the data to the outbound channel that we can use as a next stage. Let's see the example. Image processing pipeline shown in the picture. Pipeline is created with the series of stages. Each stage is separated by GoRoutine, that is G1, G2 and G3, and CH1 and CH2 are nothing but a channel. These stages are connected by the channel. Now in the stage 1, what we are doing, we are running GoRoutine G1, which is generating a list of images to be processed and uploaded by the user, and passing that information to the channel 1, that is CH1. Here in the stage 1, we can also collect the input from the multiple sources and pass it to the single channel. You can say this is your fan in. So multiple sources are providing the input and we are collecting at the one source, that is channel 1. Now the stage number 2, we are running the GoRoutine. In the stage number 2, it receives the input from the CH1 channel 1 and process those images and generates the thumbnail for each image, and we are providing that information to the channel 2. Here, let's say if you have limited set of images to process, you can spin up only one GoRoutine. If you have more data, then you can spin up more GoRoutines here to process or perform the action concurrently, to generate the thumbnails concurrently. And stage number 3, after processing the data at the stage number 2, we are passing that information to the channel 2, that is CH2, and at the stage, and that channel will be referred by the stage 3, that is GoRoutine G3. We are running the GoRoutine G3, that is receiving the thumbnail image information from the channel 2, and it stores the image on the disks, you can say local disks, or transfer those images to the storage bucket on the cloud. By using this pipeline, we can separate our concern for each stage and process the individual stage concurrently. So we see here is we have separated the concern at each stage, that is G1. Concern is only to collect the information about the images. G2 is to process the images and create the thumbnail, and G3, that is to store the images information. All of these stages can be run in parallel or concurrently. In next video, we will see the code. Thank you.